Sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today sibone i-disc track ekhona la yamaskandi iyatrenda ku-YouTube. So ngithe nje asenze i-review yayo because awu-2 ama-disc track. So into encane udrop i-album I think like 1 week ago. So i-album kunengoma la ibizwa ngo-DA Mama Omntanami. So on this song udisa uma umntanakhe. So kulaba abangazi into encane uyi-artist lamaskandi. But baby mama uyi-artist nalamaskandi ke so yena uqalele lento udise baby mama ukuthi no hayi akakhohlwe sebandlula babekhona akasekho lapho so akayeke ukuthi elwe ngengane ke so 4 days ago ikhip album baby mama wa reply na u reply ngengoma ibizwa ngeDear babo mntanami so ase-2 ama-disc track la so after lo disc track so khona no live kuno live owenziwe uyena ke uMiss Level okuyena baby mama kaNtencane so nakhona ukhipha wonke ama-file engafuni isigxile kona kakhulu because mina bengifuna sikhuluma ngomusic because I think ingoma zo2 zidope and I think le ka baby mama ngathi izakabi kakhulu ngama numbers because uNtencane ukhiphe album 1 week before but ngama numbers ku YouTube almost izalingana because ngibone lezi above 100k ama views and baby mama reply nange music video okubonisa ukuthi no I think by the time uNtencane release album lo ubesevele se-ready besibemtshela ukuthi no ikhona into ezayo so waba prepared wa drop ingoma dropa nane video so right now sinengoma eziwu2 sinoDear babo mntanami noDear mama mntanami so on this track the enginoticile because uNtencane kule track yakhe lo uthi baby mama akayeke ukulwa ngomntwana kulezi impi zabo baby mama kule track disc track yakhe uthi vele umntwana wakho ihlangu sakhe sokula so ngeze yokulwa ngaso I think lo mjita lona uzalelwe yinje endlini because iyabona ukuthi lo asisilwana unenkani and ibeef yabo I think isazoba big kakhulu because ngathi bobo u2 abantu abastubborn and bakuzwa ngomusic angilayelile ingoma kaMiss Level no ingoma Miss Level imnandi ngempela mayithi lo ngiyizwa ngithenga wathi na hit song and yona ithanda uba hit song more than i-album Antencane so hayi angazwenzakala ukuthi ubani uzodesa kakhulu but I think le ngoma yakho Miss Level izomthatha imfake entweni imfake ama bookings ngo December so maybe le dis hayi ibidingeka ngempela so as far as go i-brand kaNtencane I think izomlimaza kakhulu kwi-brand yakhe because useyaziwa njengomuntu ongondlike le okuyinto engenhleke because uNtencane samazi umuntu oswenka into eserious kabi ugqwa ama-brand abiza so mothi uyahlule ukuthi yondli umntanakhe after lezi zinto akazenza ama-fans amaningi akhe awufendekile especially abantu besifazane ngeke ngabona ngama-comment la but ke uke wenza ulife wakhe na wazama ukusho iside lakhe le story but abantu abaningi abambelieve-ke nale story sakhe yasibona ukuthi nje ngathi ngale kwana sona side but ziningi lezi stories zabo ibeef ekhona because ngena nanomamezala so I think iningi into ekhona between kubona but ingoma zo2 because sina la uSpeaker Now focus kakhulu ku music I think ingoma zo2 zo entertain abantu abaningi and uMiss Level le break nale drama enzakalayo izoyithatha ibrand yakhe ibe kwenye level because ube umuntu orecord music for almost like since 2019 because there is even one song ababeyenze noNtencane I think around about 2019 so nje uyi-artist na prominent ngowakhe but le ngoma le nale drama enzakalayo izokhuphula yena kakhulu izomthatha imbeke emehlweni abantu imbeke kuma-organizers uzothola ama-gig ngale gig maybe uzobe sewazi lezo ndlela engane yakhe ephume kuNtencane because ngathi into yabo hayi ayizukulunga because according to uMiss Level uNtencane wayiphika ingane engakazalwa but manje ngoba ingane esikhona ifana nawo seyifuna ukuthi kube yakhe so lo sisi uthi no wahlambalaza igama lakhe negama lomuzi wakubo so akamfuni eduze kumntana-ke so ilo beef-ke le idisi-ke so hey akujwayelekile ukuthi umjita edise baby mama wakhe into engajwayelekile but I think ingoma zo2 zimnandi so Speaker Now nje sizolo silandela lo daba because la I think la entertainer interesting nje langihlekisa nje especially uNtencane lakhe umuntu ophule ngale ndlela ukuthi ngavele ezoba nobaby mama powerful kanje onenkani kanje because I don't think lempuzo uzoyiwina uNtencane because lo asisilwana yo hayi uzakaba ngamabhazi maybe mengaphinde reply kube khona enye disc track so yenze enye video because no sawathanda ama-disc kule channel ya Speaker Now sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Now Instagram sikhona nakhona Speaker Now na TikTok awe